Open it up for me.
Oh!
All right, y'all, we're doing a promposal for my girlfriend with my Lexus IS 350. Under the hood, I got a sign that says prom on it, and we're gonna be disconnecting the batteries so that the car doesn't start and she has to pop the hood. All right, y'all, we're gonna disconnect the negative terminal on my battery. There we go. Now the car shouldn't start, so that you just pop the hood and see the sign. So yeah, guys, I think it's a pretty creative, fun idea. So let's get her reaction. Hey, Amberly, my car isn't starting. Here, I'll pop the hood. Open it up for me. I got a flashlight for you.
Oh! Oh my god. Yes. This is so cute.
So is it yes or no?
Yes, I said yes.
Yeah, it actually is just broken now. I just used it as an opportunity to do this. Like,
It is not.
we have to take your car tonight.
Shut the hell up.
No, it's actually just broken.
No, you're trolling.
Let's see if you can find it, actually. Let's see if you can find the issue. The car won't turn on.
Car
right?
won't turn on.
You gotta diagnose it now.
Bro. My first assumption is the freaking. Oh. Yeah, I said the battery.
Yeah, it's just disconnected. Okay, we gotta go take your car. And you're paying for dinner, right?
You can't freaking
In gas?
plug in your battery.
Okay, my bad.
I'll do it for you, damn.